Ever wondered how developers actually use Jira to build software magic? Let's dive in, step by step, and see how Jira empowers developers to work smarter and more efficiently. First, developers utilize Jira for project task assignment. Imagine a new feature is needed. A task is created in Jira. This task is then assigned to the respective developer, clearly labeling their responsibilities, ensuring everyone knows what they need to work on. It's like a digital to-do list, but way more powerful. Next, Jira shines through code integration. Developers link their code changes or commits to specific Jira tasks. Think of it as connecting your code with the tasks you're working on. Jira will seamlessly present links to code repositories, so you can easily track progress on an issue. This way, it's super easy to trace what code is doing what, which helps maintain a complete overview of project changes and helps with version control. Speaking of version control, Jira facilitates this process through its integration for developers. When developers are working on a feature or fixing a bug, their Jira tickets are linked to the commits describing code changes, enabling them to monitor code changes and track progress through versions. This linking streamlines the process, making it easy to go back to a previous version if necessary. But that's not all. Jira boosts team collaboration by letting developers exchange feedback on a task, allowing an instant collaborative exchange. Using features like comments and linked documents, developers can share information, coordinate efforts, and ensure everyone is on the same page. By using Jira, developers streamline their coding workflow and increase accountability through better team collaboration, which ultimately helps push projects to completion. So, there you have it, Jira, a developer's superpower.